Thinking about exclusive pumping or already doing it and feeling overwhelmed? You're not alone. Exclusive pumping can be a life-saving option for moms who want to give their baby breast milk, but don't or can't nurse directly. In today's video, we're diving into Exclusive Pumping 101, everything you need to know. From creating a routine and building supply, to choosing the right pump and storing your milk safely. Before we dive in, comment below. Are you currently pumping, planning to, or just exploring your options? Let's support each other. Let's start with the basics. Exclusive pumping means feeding your baby only breast milk, but expressed through a pump, not directly from the breast. This might be the right option if your baby has trouble latching, you need to return to work, you want your partner to help with feeding, or you just prefer pumping over direct nursing. It's 100% breastfeeding, just done differently. Not all pumps are created equal. Here's what you need to know. Double electric pump. Best for full-time exclusive pumping. Efficient and fast. Hospital-grade pump. Ideal for building supply early on, especially with NICU babies. Wearable portable pump. Perfect for multitasking and pumping on the go. Manual pump. Good for occasional use, travel, or backup. Pro tip, check with your insurance. Many plans cover electric breast pumps. Consistency is key. To mimic a baby's feeding pattern and maintain milk supply, aim for 8 to 12 pumping sessions per 24 hours in the beginning. Pump every 2 to 3 hours, even during the night, especially in the first 12 weeks. Each session should last 15 to 20 minutes. Pro tip, keep pumping for 2 to 5 minutes after milk stops flowing. This helps stimulate production. Want to increase your supply? Try these tips. Power pumping once a day. Mimics cluster feeding. Stay hydrated and eat well. Aim for lots of protein and healthy fats. Skin-to-skin contact with baby if possible, even if you're not nursing. Pump during the night. Your body makes the most milk at night. Use hands-on pumping. Massage and compress your breasts during pumping for better output. Pro tip: don't stress about exact amounts. Milk output varies throughout the day. Once you've pumped it, how do you store it? Let's break it down. Room temperature up to 77 degrees Fahrenheit or 25 degrees Celsius is safe for 4 hours. Refrigerator, up to 4 days. Freezer, 6 months is best, up to 12 months is acceptable. Always label milk with date and time. Use the oldest milk first in, first out. Thaw in the fridge or warm water. Never microwave breast milk. Pro tip: freeze milk in smaller portions, 2 to 4 ounces to avoid waste. Exclusive pumping is a commitment, but there are ways to make it easier. Get a hands-free pumping bra. Set up a pumping station with water, snacks, and entertainment. Use a tracking app to log sessions and output. Clean parts efficiently, have spares, and consider sanitizing once a day. Join support groups. You're not alone in this journey. Pro tip: some moms pump into bottles, some use bags. Do what fits your lifestyle best. There's no right time to stop. Some moms pump for 6 weeks, others for 2 years. Wean gradually by dropping one session every few days. Let your body adjust to avoid clogged ducts or mastitis. Celebrate your success. You've nourished your baby in an amazing way. Pro tip: keep frozen milk stored if you want to continue giving breast milk after weaning. Exclusive pumping is hard work, but it's also an incredible gift you're giving your baby. Whether you do it for a week or a year, you should be so proud. Let us know in the comments, what's helped you stay motivated to pump? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more baby feeding and parenting content. Watch next. Insert related video link here. Thanks for watching and happy pumping!